Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Next in Solutions. Hopefully you're all doing good and we are again here with another exciting video. So here we will see how you can install Jupyter Notebook without using the Anaconda. For this you need to have installed the Python and the pip. If not, you can see my previous video in which I have discussed in detail that how you can install the Python through the terminal. Thank you so much for being here. So let's get started. Just go to your search bar and type the terminal. Just click on your terminal and first we need to check if we have Python already installed. Python version, enter. So we have Python 3.13.0 and we need to check the pip version, version, enter. Yeah, so we have pip version 24.2. So we are going to install the Jupyter Notebook. So pip space install Jupyter, enter. Now it will take some time to download and install the Jupyter Notebook in my system. So we need to wait for some time till it get all of its packages get installed properly. We can also get the Jupyter Notebook through the Anaconda, but if you want to have the standalone Jupyter Notebook without its dependencies on the Anaconda, so this is how you can install the Jupyter Notebook. I believe it is super easy to install. So friends, finally we are done with our Jupyter Notebook installations. Let's see how it works and how we can check that. Just type the Jupyter Notebook, enter, and it will automatically redirect to your web browser. Woohoo! So here we go. So let's test our Jupyter Notebook. Let's see how you can use that. So this is how it looks like. How you need to create your Jupyter Notebook for the first time. you need to click on the new and click on the Python 3, and it will automatically create your Python file. That is the notebook. Let's test it. Just print hello world. So we are done. Thank you so much. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. We will come up with another video shortly. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.